Welcome everyone to a new educational video where I'm going to explain to you how to day trade one of my most favorite strategies, parabolic reversals. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to trade this strategy using a trade that most of our BBT members took on the previous week on MU. To understand how to trade this strategy, you need first of all to know how to pick the right stock to play reversals on. Personally for me, the most important thing that I'm looking for when I trade reversals is 3 consecutive 5-minute candles. I need the stock to be extended from the 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart, and I need it to have at least 3 5-minute candles that are having higher highs and higher lows. Once I see that, I go to the next time frame, which is the 60-minute chart, and I look for an area or a zone where the stock could bounce from or reverse from. Once I have these two main signals, I switch to the smaller time frame, which is the 1-minute chart, and I look for rejection, some sort of selling pressure, something you can see on the time and sales, or maybe a reversal candle on the 1-minute chart, or an extension from the 9 moving average on the 1-minute chart. Just one of the signals that are showing you that the stock is about to bounce or reverse from this area. And when I see that, I execute the trade. Let's go to trading terminal replay feature and show you exactly what could have been the entry signal in this case. So as you could see on MU around here, this approximately could be the area or the zone where the stock could reverse from. Somewhere maybe up here, somewhere maybe a little bit lower, or maybe even a little bit higher. It doesn't really matter. Personally, I would go maybe for somewhere closer to this area. This to me looks more of an extreme area. 70 is another decent level. I want you to remember that the level is just a zone. It doesn't mean that the price is going to reach the level exactly. It could go closer to it, touch it and reverse. It could just simply reverse even before it reaches it, or it could wick above it, make a fake break and reverse. You need to just remember that this level is an area of interest. This is approximately where the stock could bounce from. So this was my first play on MU. When I saw that the stock is approaching the level, it's close enough to it. On the 1-minute chart, I have an increasing volume, which shows me that this could be a signal for reversal, and it is close enough to the level. I decided to play it to the short side. Unfortunately, I could see that the stock is approaching the 9 moving average, it's getting closer to it, and it's rejecting it. So rather than holding on to the original stop loss, which is up here, which most probably is going to get triggered, I decided to exit at break even. This here is where I was supposed to re-enter into my position. I personally did not, which unfortunately was a mistake, but a lot of BBT members actually got this. This is what we call a fake break. You could see that the stock is strong, it is pulling back, and it's continuing the trend. It is making a new high. It's breaking the 69.60-ish level. And literally after the break, it instantly sells off and it closes as an indecision candle followed by bearish candles. The moment you see that, you could actually re-enter into your position and put your stop loss somewhere around the high of the entry candle. When you play a reversal, you could hold to VWAP as a main target, but obviously you could partial on the way down. So that's basically it, guys. To play parabolic reversals, the first thing you need to find is a stock that is parabolic, a stock that has made 3 or more consecutive 5-minute candles. Once you saw that, you could just double check and confirm on higher time frames. Personally for me, I love playing reversals on stocks that are sitting in topping or bottoming phases on the daily chart. Not a must, but that's an additional plus in your favor. Then you go to the 60-minute chart and you try to find a zone or an area of interest. Finally, you go to the 1-minute chart and you're looking for rejection, maybe some selling pressure, some confirmation candles, volume confirmation, anything that could support your thesis. After that, you play it on a new 1-minute low, or literally after the rejection, if it's supported by volume, for example, or something you see on the tape, and stop loss at the high of the 1-minute candle. Your target most of the time is VWAP, but if you're having a lot in your unrealized, you could slowly partial on the way to VWAP. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Follow me on my social media if you want to see how I trade, and if you want to see the trades that I have executed, and I will see you guys on the next video.